Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be discussing all about ozone layer protection working model. If you can see here, above the Earth, which is 15 to 30 kilometers. So we have a stratosphere. In that stratosphere, there is a ozone layer is formed here. So this ozone layer is a protective layer to our Earth. So main purpose of this ozone layer is to block some of the harsh UV rays which is going to pass on to the Earth from the sun. Over the years, what is happening? Whatever the protective layer we have, which is ozone layer, that is getting depleted. That is getting a lot of holes in this ozone layer, gaseous layer, because of various reasons. So left side of this working model, so we have depicted why there is a ozone layer getting depleted, because we make use of factories here. So here the factories release a lot of harmful gases, and as well as we make use of aerosol spray, which is chloroform carbon, that is also going to damage our ozone layer. Plus even whatever we use on our day-to-day basis, like air conditioners and even refrigerator, even by using this also, it creates imbalance in the ozone layer that is getting depleted with all these reasons. So we are given in detail here. The causes of ozone depletion is chloroform carbon from the aerosols, refrigerator usage, air conditioners, and industrial emissions like air pollution and so on. Because of that, this ozone layer is getting depleted. Now, how to protect this ozone layer? So we need to adopt few strategies in order to protect ourselves to safeguard this ozone layer. So in order to protect our ozone layer, what we should do is we should start using renewable energy. Like we have to start using windmills. We should start using solar energy. And also, we should properly adopt waste management procedure. And also, should start using electric cars. If you start doing this, so we can definitely safeguard our ozone layer with the protection to our Earth. So by having this ozone layer protected means, so we'll have lesser diseases, like a lot of skin cancer will happen if this ozone layer is not getting protected. A lot of diseases will come to the human being because of this harmful UV rays. So in order to avoid, if you use the procedure which we mentioned in the right side, like even if you're growing trees, more trees or gardens, so by doing all these things, definitely we can avoid degradation of ozone layer. So now we are going to demonstrate how this ozone layer protection mechanism we have adopted here is. So we have used smoke here to represent how the smoke is getting generated here. And also, right side, we are going to show how the windmill is going to work. So when there is a wind energy, so it is getting generated electricity here. And also, we have depicted solar energy. By using solar panels, we can generate our electricity. So this is our solar energy. So by using these simple concepts, definitely we can protect our ozone layer. I hope you guys got a clarity what is all about ozone layer, why ozone layer is getting depleted, how we can protect our ozone layer by making use of various good methods. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share it with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.